Hi, this is Ray Brown, First American Real Estate. This is a walking tour of the house at 5612 Altitude Drive. So I'm going to start by coming in through right at the entrance and showing you some of the features here. So this house was built by Saddle Tree Homes uh, back in, I think, 1994. And at the entrance here, we have a mosaic tile inlay, which was a custom design done when the house was originally built. So as you come in the front door, you can see the nice high ceiling. It's just beautiful in here. And you have hardwood floors almost on the entire main level, except for this first room that we're going to go into. So this is the office on the main level. It looks out at the driveway. Because it's an office, there's no closet in here, but brand new carpet, brand new paint. Everywhere you see paint inside on doors, trim, everything. And even the door hardware, as I was pointing at, is been replaced with brushed nickel. So as you come in here, come out there, you turn left, go into a half bath here on the main level. Pedestal sink. So I'll just let the video run and show you what's in the house here. Light fixtures have all been updated as well. Right here on the left you can see this is a coat closet. Normal sized coat closet right here at the entryway. Got a nice brushed nickel light fixture in the ceiling here. Okay, and as you continue to enter the house, when you turn left, you'll see upstairs. Now there are 3 bedrooms up there, the master and 2 secondary bedrooms, and the laundry is up there as well. But again, all new carpet, all new paint. Hardwood floors as you come into the living room. And this is a built-in, that's a gas fireplace. And I don't do a good job in the video here, but on the left-hand side, you have a lot of windows, so lots of natural light here in this house. Little preview of the backyard. You can see very nicely landscaped. It's beautiful living, outdoor living space there. So the lighting on the video gets a little funky, but you can see the hardwood floors. They extend all the way into the kitchen. And again, that's looking back toward the entryway. And I was pointing at the to the left there is where you go down to the basement, just in case you were wondering. So this little dining area, the walkout, you've got the bay window. And I'm so sorry about this video, it gets really dark here. But it gets better. You can see the kitchen better here in a few minutes, or another 30 seconds or so. Granite countertops. And this is actually a breakfast bar. You can see there's an overhang there, and you can put a couple of high stools in there and enjoy that. As you can see, the kitchen is lit up better now. These are oak cabinets. That's a gas range oven. Everything is stainless steel here in the kitchen. And these appliances are only, I think, 2 years old maybe. But crown molding on those cabinets, don't miss that. And stainless steel dishwasher as well. And then the sink is a slate black composite material. So very nice, very elegant. Okay, swinging back over here, I'm just trying to show the expanse of the room here. And then that is a pantry. Oh, this is just saying that there's a lot of counter space there. It's probably 12 feet. And then big walk-in pantry with a light. And that's not really yellow paint. It just looks that way from that light bulb. So, but hardwood floors still everywhere. New door hardware like I pointed out before. So we'll just do another, I think the video catches the room a little bit more so you can just get a feel for the space, because I know this is just a walking tour of the house. So we're going to go upstairs first. So again, looking back toward the entrance and then upstairs. This is actually a nice big open area. You could put a table against that back wall there. But between the edge of the stairs here and that wall is probably 8.5 feet. To the right is the master bedroom, and that's just a little built-in nook there. So we're not going to go in the master just yet. We're going to swing back around so you can see the whole foyer area upstairs. On the left there is the laundry room. That's a bedroom. And then there's another bedroom right here that you can see into. We'll go into those in just a minute. That's a full bath. But there's a linen closet up here. This house was really built for living, and they really put a lot of thought into this floor plan. So nice big linen closet to support the space up here. This is the laundry room, and you got a utility sink, vinyl floors, some shelving, and it's really nice to have that up there with all the bedrooms. So again, new carpet, new paint on the trim as well. So we're going to go into the master bedroom, and this is a huge master bedroom. I think it's 22 feet long and 15 feet wide. We got a new light fixture up there on the ceiling fan. Got a big plant shelf all along there. And then you can look down there and see that arched entryway into the master bath. But here's the backyard from upstairs, and you can see the redwood deck. Beautiful landscaping. And you may not have noticed it. I think we'll catch it later, but this is on a corner lot. And that window we were just looking out kind of faces west and northwest. Walk-in closet. And up at the ceiling, you'll see the attic access. But nice big closet here. And this is one of two closets in this master bedroom. The other one's going to be back in the bathroom area, and it's bigger than that one. So lots of storage space. As you can see, the arched entryway, that's a tile floor. And then you've got a private water closet, otherwise known as a toilet room. But it's a private space there. And you can see that's a new countertop for that double vanity. And that's the soaking tub over there. And then you can see the shower. But then this is the big double closet here in the back of the bathroom. So again, lots of storage space in this master. And again, I keep moving around just so you can get a feel for the room and the spaciousness and how the spaces kind of relate to each other. And that's that's the shower. And then I get a close up on the tub. This is all 4-inch tile here. And that's looking out on the corner lot there. And that's a big, that mirror is nice because you can, you get dressed and you can stand in front of the mirror and see how you look. Get yourself all gussied up for the day. So stepping back out, before we go out, I guess I point out the arched doorway again. Walk back into the foyer. And again, just to get oriented, here's where we are in relation to the stairs and this foyer area. But you got a full bath up here for those 2 secondary bedrooms. New vanity, not new vanity, new countertop, and new paint, again, everywhere you see this. And that's tile, 4-inch tile. And this is a new vinyl floor that we put down as well. And what more can we say about the full bathroom? So let's move on. Again, just turning the camera so you can keep oriented. So here's a secondary bedroom. This is a great sized bedroom as well. All the bedrooms are very spacious and they all have walk-in closets. So this one looks out on the front of the house, but nice big space. New carpet, new paint. Do I sound like a broken record yet? And here's where you can see the corner lot. And that's the corner of Buckaroo and Altitude. So, sorry, the camera did a quick change there. But this is the walk-in closet of this bedroom. Okay, we'll step back out in the foyer, take a right, go into the other bedroom. This one's even bigger bedroom, and it looks out on the front of the house also.
All the bedrooms are very very good size, fresh paint, new carpet. It sounds like a broken record maybe. But
Then we have a walk-in closet here
walk-in
also.
closet. Again,
I guess I wanted to show you that light on the ceiling in the closet. So
that
let's
is
head
the
out back in the
upstairs.
foyer. Now we'll hit the
That's
laundry
three
room.
bedrooms up
And
here.
this laundry room was made to do some laundry, man. Oh, I guess I didn't do much detail on that. So now we'll head downstairs to the main level,
Rolling.
hang a left.
Get a feel for the house.
Look at those hardwood floors, just beautiful. This is a gorgeous home.
330 square feet.
Now I'll say while we're heading down to the basement that if you're working with a realtor, have them call me if you want to see this property, or they know how to schedule a showing. So talk with your agent. If you don't have a realtor, then give me a call. I can
Our garage.
get you moving here.
Super exciting.
Now this is the two-car garage, and I just
Two-car.
parked my car in the middle of it, but it does hold 2 cars comfortably, and then you got some shelves, and that's where your electrical panel is. Very quiet garage door opener, by the way.
Two-car.
So that was a security system panel on the right-hand side. There's also one, I forgot to show you, upstairs in the master bedroom. So it has a double panel for that security system.
Where we're headed.
Then we'll,
This house does have a
well, there it is, security system.
It's not
Then we'll
that
head
big, no, I
downstairs,
don't think.
take a look at this family room. And again, just like the rest of the house, everything has new paint, and new carpet.
Come down here. Turn left.
Turn
to the
left, and
Family room. So
voila. So this is the family room in the basement, and it has built-in
This is
custom
fantastic room.
bookshelves.
These are built-in bookshelves that are custom built.
And you can
for this,
see that
these spaces.
even
Yeah,
though the
on
bookshelves are
platform you
there,
can see
they left
There's a
little
post.
portals so you can
You still have
access the
access
electrical
through
outlets
your outlets.
from above and below. So you can still
All
plug
along
stuff
the
in.
wall.
And if you want to do some accent lighting of things that you've got on the shelves,
So
you
that's
can do
there.
that as well. So these other big
then
shelves
these
over here, but man,
bookshelves
you
as
can put a
well.
lot of things down here, a lot of books, a lot of things
And
to
this is
display.
like a craft area.
And then this area in the back, that's a
built-in
vinyl
countertop
floor,
and
tile
shelving.
floor, I
This
can't
is
remember
wonderful
which,
space.
but
Everybody
it's
can
a
use this for
craft area
kind
where
of
you can put an
craft or
office space down
working
here,
with
but a
your
lot of
home
shelving
office,
in that little
whatever you
craft area as well. And then
Yeah,
taking a
also
right, we
have
go
a
into the
full
full bath down here, tile floor,
tile floor,
tile
tile
walls for that
surround.
shower surround.
Swing around this way.
And then there's a vanity in that cabinet on the right. I got to turn this light on, but that vanity on the right is a
These are some lights
little
too. There's
linen
a
closet, linen
We also
pantry, if
have
you will,
linen
for
closet
that
here,
bathroom down there.
linen cabinet.
So again, a lot of thought put into how to live in this
Insane.
property, and there's the light fixture all
bright
lit up
lights.
and tile countertop. So we'll head back out,
that's
and
the
then on the
bathroom.
right
There's the
here,
bedroom
we
down
have the
here.
mechanicals. So the
Mechanicals,
water
by the
heater's in
way.
here, and the furnace is in that louvered door over there on the
Water
right.
heater and
But
furnace
gas water
space.
heater, gas furnace,
Won't bore you with
and it
those.
does have central air conditioning, if you're
This
wondering.
is
So this little space
heavy
here is that you can see where
set
those
aside
right
for,
there is the like a
putting in
networking
internet
space.
connection,
So
your
that Cat5 cable
home network
comes
right
down
here.
and connects, and that little
I know this is hanging
plug or
off,
enter
but
thing
the
right there
screws
for
came
the
out, so we get those
DSL.
out.
We forgot to screw that in, but we do have
Already wired
screws
up
for
a
it. So,
DSL.
but this is the space for you to put all your networking components, Wi-Fi system, all that stuff can go right here. And then that's the security box.
Security system.
Some storage
This is the
underneath
storage down here.
that shelf. But what a great idea to design that little cubby to hold all
This
your
is a
electrical
wonderful basement.
stuff.
Very flexible space down here, and very well finished.
So now we'll
Let's circle back around into.
take a walk into the 4th bedroom
bedroom.
and looking upstairs
you
just to make sure you're
oriented.
oriented
It's
still.
Okay.
And this is the
Fourth
4th
bedroom has
bedroom
some
in the
built-in
basement, and it's got
shelving as well.
built-in shelves as well with the same outlet access, as you can
again,
see.
All the
But these are
outlets,
oak
you still have access to
cabinets,
those.
oak shelving, and that's really
And
nice. But
again,
can
this
lights
has
on the
can lights,
ceiling,
by the way.
fresh paint,
We have
fresh carpet,
walk-in closet,
walk-in closet.
new carpet, new paint down here as well. So great space.
And we come back
great
out
home. But that's the video of this property.
and start heading back
we-
upstairs.
Oh, and you want to go outside.